Welcome to Switzerland. I can't believe we are finally here. If you ever want to come to Swiss, first thing I would suggest, stop searching info about travel passes, etc. Of course, regarding the place, what you want to do, all that stuff you can search, but do not keep searching about travel passes. I made that mistake and I would not suggest that because I feel it's too confusing. Instead, just download the SBB app as soon as you reach the airport and you can see the SBB Railway Travel Center near check-in 3. Go to that office, wait for your turn, let them know all your travel plans, where you want to go, how many days, what you want to do, and they will suggest you a pass that's enough and simple. You can ask all the questions you have and they are really very helpful and sweet. I came with my friends. Our stay is in Beatenberg near Interlaken, so we took our passes from this office and started our journey. From Zurich to Interlaken, it's 2 hours, and from Interlaken to Beatenberg, it's 20 minutes. But you just need to make sure that whatever passes you're taking, in case if you're taking a second class pass, you need to make sure that you are only sitting in the second class cabin in the train. Otherwise, you might have to pay extra later on as a fine. So instead, just be careful when you're getting onto the train. The best thing is everything everywhere is written in English as well, apart from other languages, so it's not that difficult. And with the train as well, you can clearly see the number 2 on the cabins. So in case if you have taken a second class ticket, you can just see that and sit in that one. So it's as simple as that. Now it's time to go to our apartment. We are staying at Hotel Stern. It says hotel, but it's an apartment itself, and you do have all the stuff that you need to cook, utensils, etc. everything. It has a dining table, it has a sofa. It's like a second home. That's why I prefer apartments over hotels. And the best part is the view. Oh my god, you're going to see it in some time, and I'm sure you're going to love it just like I did. And what else to say, the owners are very sweet. In case if you need something, you just need to contact them and they are always responding to you on booking.com, etc. So it's pretty great. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In the last video, I did not tell you where I'm going and what is the place, etc. It was a secret, let's say, but today it's day 1 and let me show you where we are at. We are here in Interlaken, Switzerland. Imagine that. I cannot explain how beautiful it is. Anyways, you are going to see it through my videos. So yeah, I'm getting late, so I need to run, and today is day 1 and we are going to explore Interlaken, Switzerland. Let's go. The bus stop is just 1 minute away from the hotel, so the commute and everything is really very easy. And that's our hotel. I would definitely recommend it if you are coming to Interlaken anytime or Beatenberg. The first stop for us today is in Beatus Caves. Let's go. We finally reached the caves. The caves are a little bit on the top, so you need to walk all the way up there. There's also a restaurant up there in case if you feel hungry or you need some food, you can grab some there. But As I told, it's going to be pretty costly, so we are not going to do that. But look at the view just opposite to the caves. Just a little bit of information here. Wherever you're staying, whether it's a hotel or whether it's, resort, whatever it is, when you're in Switzerland, the place there or the hotel there gives you these kind of passes, or let's say coupons, which you can use either in your travel in that area, or these kind of places. Like example, for us, we got our passes from the hotel that we are staying, and it's 50% off when we went to the Beatus Caves because of that. So it's really helpful. And what can I say about the caves? Oh my god, I never imagined or expected something like this. Just the combination of the stone and water is so clear. I'm not sure how they are maintaining it, but it's just a great thing to do. In case if you ever come to Interlaken, this is like a must visit. It has like these small waterfalls inside as well, and I thought the cave would be like just 5 minutes walk or something, but no, it's quite intense. You have to walk a lot inside, so you better have your stomach full and have some energy to go, but it's worth it. The entire caves experience is worth it. They do have like information booths and everything inside, just to give you some little context and history, but oh my god, would definitely 100% recommend this. After that experience, clicked few pictures, went to the museum and gift shop, which was downstairs, and it's pretty good because you do have a lot of options, but of course the cost would be a little higher because considering it's a famous place, etc. But the options in crystals are really great. In case if you're someone who's interested in crystal stones, then this is the place for you. I did get one of the crystals, which I may show you maybe in the future videos. It's time to go to our next stop. Meanwhile, just waiting for the bus near Interlaken West station. If you are a K-drama lover just like me, then you know what this place is. This is Lake Brienz. This is where the famous K-drama Crashlandingonyou has been shot, and oh my god, I cannot believe this. I am here, and the turquoise water, I cannot describe. I will never get over this lake or this water. It's just perfect. And the sunset, I experienced the sunset at Lake Brienz. I cannot believe that. And meanwhile, on the side, I just saw that there was a couple. The guy was proposing to the girl, and it was so sweet. Just the sunset, the turquoise water, I would just describe it as a fairy tale evening. Came back to the apartment. It's 7:45. I need to eat, sleep as quickly as possible so that tomorrow we can explore more. And I hope today with the videos you understood how great Interlaken is, and it's once in a lifetime visit. And if you get a chance, you should definitely come to this place, and it's breathtaking, trust me on that. And I'm just grateful, happy, and In case if you have watched the video till now, then that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Can't wait to show you more. You're going to see that in the next video, the second day in Switzerland. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click that bell button so you will be notified whenever I am here. And for more personal updates, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed along with me. Nothing can capture this beauty. That is what I can say. Whatever camera you use, how much ever great the quality is, doesn't matter, but it's not possible to capture the beauty that it has. So I hope at least I gave you a sneak peek on how beautiful it is. So all you humans from wherever and whenever you're watching this video, have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye. I'll have to first change and brush up. I am tired. Bye.